Ya Ali Madad Jebaleko, and welcome to the Ismaili Update August Recap. My name is Tanya Samnani and I am excited to be your host today, coming to you from Kampala, Uganda. In our last update, we reported on Prince Rahim and Prince Ali Mohammed visiting India. After their joint visit, Prince Ali Mohammed stayed on in India and spent time in Gujarat visiting projects run by the Aga Khan Rural Support Program. Since the beginning of this year, following his graduation from university, Prince Ali Mohammed is working with the Aga Khan Foundation. As part of his responsibilities, he is visiting projects and meeting with Aga Khan Foundation teams in the field. This month, in addition to his work with the AKRSP in India, he spent time in Kenya reviewing AKF's projects on regenerative agriculture, youth enterprise, clean energy, and AKF's close collaboration with the Aga Khan Fund for Economic Development. During Pakistan's Independence Day celebrations earlier this month, two members of the Ismaili community were honored with prestigious National Civil Award by President Asif Ali Zardari for their outstanding contributions to the country. The Nishan-e-Khidmat has been awarded to Sultan Ali Allana, Director of the Aga Khan Fund for Economic Development and the Chairman of Habib Bank, for his significant public service efforts. Aga Khan University's President and Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Suleiman Shahabuddin, has been awarded the Sitara-e-Imtiaz in recognition of his remarkable contributions to the fields of education and healthcare. The awards will be conferred during a ceremony that will take place in March 2025. The Ismaili TV conducted interviews with both Suleiman and Sultan as part of the In Conversation series. Check them out to learn more about AKU and ACFED. Congratulations! The first Global Encounters Heritage Journey concluded this month in Pakistan. Participants from 10 countries aged 19 to 71 witnessed AKU and the Jamaat's history in Karachi, explored the work of the AKTC in Lahore, and engaged with our brothers and sisters in Gilgit-Baltistan and learned about the impact of the AKDN and the Imamat work. For more information on the heritage journeys, visit the website on the screen. The Aga Khan Foundation announced the launch of a new $7.2 million immunization and nutrition program in Pakistan. The program aims to support over 1 million mothers and children in the most marginalized areas where the need is particularly high. It will commence later this year and run through to 2027. Many of you know that the international athletes gathered in Paris for the Olympics this month. But did you know that a number of volunteers from the Jamaat were involved in supporting the Olympics? Congratulations to all those who volunteered. Serish Sayani, a member of the Los Angeles Jamaat, is involved with the planning of the 2028 Summer Olympics and was part of the team that flew with the Olympic flag from Paris to Los Angeles. As one international sports tournament comes to an end, another is coming soon. The Global Encounters Festival team met in Dubai earlier this month to continue their planning and preparation for the next year's event. And just last week, Uganda's National Arts Qualifying event was held right here in Kampala. This summer, the Global Encounters Internship Program hosted 52 university students and recent graduates from around the globe in Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, India, and virtually. These interns supported various AKDN and Jamaati agencies, providing valuable hands-on learning and professional development across multiple sectors. Since 2012, Global Encounters camps have impacted young people from all corners of the globe. This summer was no different. Over 200 youth aged 15 to 18 from 26 countries came together in Kenya, India, and Pakistan to learn, live, and experience pluralism. This episode of the Ismaili Update is the 50th episode released. Some of you may remember that we started producing episodes for special events in October 2022, and we added monthly updates last year. Over the last 49 episodes, we have had almost 6 million combined views across all platforms and still growing with your viewership right now. We have had hosts from the mountains of northern Pakistan and the Pamirs, all the way to the bustling cities of New York and Sydney, and many more in between. Thank you to all our hosts and over 100 volunteers who have helped make this series. And of course, thank you all for watching. As we celebrate this milestone, we'd love to get your feedback. You can fill out the feedback form and write us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Many students of all ages have returned to school or are returning in the coming weeks. We wish all the students good luck and all the best for this school year. It has been my pleasure to host you today. Thank you and Ya Ali Madad.